Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to add text to your template here in CapCut. Now if you're new here or if you found the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so first thing we want to do is open up our video, and from here let's go up to the very top and click on templates. Let's find one we can use for this video. So let's go down and let's go for this one. We'll drag and drop straight into our project. Lovely, and you can see that's now been added and we can now edit from here. I'll quickly change the aspect as well just so it suits the video. Lovely. Now what we need to do is go to the very top, click on text, and from here click add text to exactly where we'd like it to go. From here we can then go and change the text itself to better suit the video, for example. So just give that a second. And then from there, we can do as we like when fixing this template. If you do have any questions, please do let us know down below. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching.